Veloma Soap is getting a lot of attention online with claims that it kills fungus, stops itching, and clears jock itch or irritation fast. But the real question is, does it actually work or is it just clever marketing? Let's take a closer look. According to the official website, Veloma Soap is a natural formulated bar designed to target persistent fungal issues like jock itch, athlete's foot, and irritation using natural ingredients like tea tree oil, sulfur spring extract, witch hazel, and ceramides. It promises results in days, not weeks, and even offers a 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't see relief. That sounds great, but there's more to the story than the ads. Independent reviewers who've dug beyond the sales page raised some serious concerns. There's no verified third-party customer reviews on trusted platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit. Reviews shown on the site may be internal or curated, which isn't the same as independent verification. Tools that analyze website safety give Veloma.store low trust scores, with hidden ownership, limited online presence, and a suspicious reputation rating distinct from well-established healthcare brands. That doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but it does mean you can't confidently trust the product claims without real independent evidence. Some ingredients can help with minor skin issues. Tea tree oil for mild antifungal and soothing properties in some situations. Witch hazel can reduce moisture and calm irritation. But here's the key point. A soap bar doesn't equate to a medically proven antifungal treatment. True fungal infections often require targeted antifungal medicine like clotrimazole or ketoconazole, especially if they're persistent or severe. Veloma's site doesn't provide clinical proof that the soap alone can reliably cure those infections. In other words, cleansing and soothing are not the same as treating an infection. So does Veloma soap actually work? Not as a guaranteed antifungal cure. There's no solid independent evidence that it reliably clears infections the way prescribed antifungal treatments do. It could help cleanse and significantly soothe irritated skin, but that's far short of a proven medical result. The bottom line, think of Veloma more as a hygiene soap with soothing ingredients, not a reliable antifungal solution backed by science. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.